couple of months ago, I posted a couple of videos offering some free online training to companies and organizations. It had classes on like Word, Excel, collaboration, as well as personal productivity. About 190 courses online, all told. About 2,000 people watched those videos. 30 to 40 comments on each about how nice I was and how wonderful I was for offering it. And thank you very much for those comments. I offered to give it free to all employees for about 4 or 5 months. I think 4 people took me up on it. People, not companies. Now, I'm not here to beg you to take me up on it. I'm done begging. And I'm not going to cry anymore. I'm done crying. Why are you still looking at me like that? But I'm genuinely curious as to why people didn't take me up on this. Did people just not need computer training anymore? No time to take it? You already have a provider? You don't want to give your email address up to some stranger you just met on LinkedIn? But here's the thing. I've spoken with several other CEOs of companies, both in my field and other fields, who have offered similar kind of valuable resources, free resources, no strings attached, no hooks, no nothing, to companies who don't take them up on it. And they get nothing, they get crickets. And some people will say, well, it's because if there's a price, there's added value. But psychologically, if it's free, it must not be worth anything. And I get that if it's a casual coupon or something like that. But when it's a serious offer, the same mentality seems to apply. And that fascinates me, quite honestly. I mean, it'd be great if more people took me up on it, but I'm really curious as to why people don't. So seriously, this is not, I'm not going to bug people to take me up on it, but seriously, why don't you take someone up on offers that clearly you and your organization can use? And by clearly, I mean other employees. You're pretty smart. Rounding up. Comments below.